Planet 9, the most theoretical and the most mysterious planet to ever exist. But we still don't know if it exists, but yeah, but there is proof that Planet 9 exists, but we still don't know for sure if the planet exists, but yeah. So here are proof that Planet 9 might exist. Yeah. But before I start the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. But if you don't want to, I'ma hide in your closet. No, just kidding. The first evidence of Planet 9's existence is the unusual orbiting outside of Neptune. Yeah, there must be something outside Neptune or Pluto, the dwarf planet, that makes the unusual objects outside Neptune like and people are like, but why aren't people like scientists using mathematics just like they found Uranus, the planet? Well, the planet might be so far away, like, let me say, I think 50 trillion kilometers away. I have no idea, but yeah, the Planet 9's orbit must be like horizontal, or I don't know, sorry for my bad English. Yeah, like you know what's the opposite of this. But yeah, the planet might also be big because of its gravity, changing the comet's direction, like, or throwing the outside interstellar objects out of our solar system. And yeah, this might be proof, yeah, that Planet 9 exists because of its gravity throwing the interstellar objects out of our system. Yeah, but yeah, if the Planet 9 is far away from the object, it might enter our solar system. But yeah, evidence number 2. Okay, y'all know like the dwarf planet Pluto's orbit is like a little bit tilted, right? Or Uranus orbit is like also tilted 90 degrees, and okay, I've talked about it right now. Yeah, and the other objects outside of our solar system has a weird orbit, and yeah, this planet might be big, to be honest, but yeah, if I thought of what color the planet might be, I would probably say 9. I would probably say blue. I don't know why. Or it might be another planet like Earth, but with no life because it's outside of the solar system almost. But yeah, or Planet 9 might be our planet's planet Earth size, that makes it very difficult to locate, or yeah, which makes sense. But yeah, or it might be big but really far away. Yeah, I hope it's not a dwarf planet. I would be upset, Loki. But yeah, so okay, evidence number 3. Okay, this one is gonna blow your mind. Okay, what if the Kuiper belt is like a little bit tilted because of Planet 9's gravitational pull, like the gravity of Planet 9? Like that must be a big planet, I think. And yeah, or there might be another moon in our solar system without we knowing, because it's Planet Nine's moon. Or Planet Nine might not have a moon. Oh yeah, can't you believe how dark it's going to be on Planet Nine if it has a surface? But yeah, but exploring Planet Nine would be impossible because it might take over a decade, I think, more than a decade. But yeah, the third evidence might be affecting the Kuiper belt. Like, yeah, the sun has its own gravitational pull holding the Kuiper belt, and Planet 9 is affecting it, which is the real evidence. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And this is all the evidence I had of Planet 9's existence. And yeah, make sure to check out my channel videos. I'll appreciate it. And it's been Rian. See you guys in the next historical video. It's been such a great video with you guys. Like, yeah.